Morning sunshine. Morning, Mr. Dexter.
Morning to you. Well, well, well. Where's my boy? Where is my boy, you son of a bitch? Okay. You wanna play tough? You got it, asshole. See that little girl over there everybody's so fond of? Well, my scientists tell me that this is what revs her up. Look at her now. Weak as a little kitten.
Mr. Dexter, fuck off!
Fuck! What the fuck kind of place you running here, Clive?
Hell, that ain't mine.
Jesus Christ, you
That's Mrs. Cooper's.
sick fuck! You killed my boy, didn't you?
Look, man, just tell him what he wants to know. Accidents happen in this jail all the time.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, come on. You go on about your business. I'll take care of this guy. Let's go.
I want my boy back, Clive.
I ain't let you down yet, have I? Go on. Yeah, it's gonna be you and me now.
I'll give it a try. God damn it. It's typical. Just typical. I'm on it!
Yeah, we'll do. Thought I was just a start, you know. He looked very happy. Probably had a session, if you know what I mean, right? Anyway, I left the pistolas for you to pick up at the front desk. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they are beauts. Actually, I'm thinking of you for my son's birthday. Ah, yeah. 10 years old.
Every year at the Hope Fair, we have to haul your drunken ass in.
I'm not drunk. I'm just presto.
Please. I can smell it from over here. What is it this year? Devastating new water fountains, interrupting the mayor's speech by publicly declaring to be Jesus?
Drunk driving.
Merle.
Put him in a hole. Let him sleep it off.
The miscarriage of justice. I just need to talk to Sheriff Turkey.
Sorry, Merle.
I don't normally complain, but it's every 30 minutes or so. It kept me up all night, and it's right before Fair Day, too. I'm trying. Sheriff Turkey,
Oh, fuck!
we're taking over your town.
Who the fuck are you? This is my fucking town!
Let him know we're serious.
Oh! Don't shoot me! I'm the sheriff!
Christ, what a dipshit.
Alpha team, stay on mission. Line 47.
Man, we might have a situation. I'll check the perimeter. Over. Hey there. Hello?
Blockades are in place here and here. We have sentinels positioned on every corner and sniper nests here, here, and on every rooftop overlooking town square. I don't care how good this guy's supposed to be. Unless he's got wings, he couldn't have got far.
What the? Man, we might have a situation. I'll check the perimeter. Over.
All right, who threw that?
What?
Stay here. This whole place could go up in flames. Better find the target quick. Someone must have notified the state authorities by now.
At least the target won't be able to get through this way. Come on, let's move out. We need to sweep the parking lots. Our window of opportunity is closing fast.
checkpoint. Setting up shop at 45 degrees southwest. Over.
Roger that, Rabbit. Get in position. We'll flush out the target. Over.
Alpha team, what's your status? Over.
This is Alpha. Perimeter suite came up empty. Checking the buildings. Over.
This is Skylight. I have a visual on the town sheriff. Moving towards the church. Should I take him out? Over.
Negative, Skylight. Focus on target. Over.
okay, my son?
Fucking move! You're a coward, Sheriff Skirky! I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch!
Skirky, hold down!
Please, I can't die in a church.
Last time, where's Victoria?
Oh, go fuck yourself. Blackwater Park! Blackwater Park!